Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Kia Soul wiper blades. First, let's gather your essential tools and prepare your vehicle for the process. You'll need your new wiper blades, which for a Kia Soul are typically 24 inches for the driver's side and 20 inches for the passenger's side. Also, consider using a towel or cardboard to protect your windshield. This simple preparation makes the entire replacement much smoother. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be cautious not to let it snap back down. Next, find the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade down and off the hook. Repeat this for both front wiper blades. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Double-check that it's firmly attached. Once both new blades are on, carefully lower the wiper arms back down onto your windshield. Finally, let's test your new wiper blades. Turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield effectively without streaking or skipping. For optimal performance and longevity, remember to regularly clean your windshield and the wiper blades themselves. Also, if you love reading, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.